Blizzard Bear, with the temperature expected to drop below 20 degrees by 10 a.m. on Thursday next week. Hey, Ansley, how should we prepare for this blizzard, and what should we do to minimize injury in said blizzard?
Alright, so let's start by layering. You want to make sure that you keep your animals, yourself, and possibly your family warm too. The best way to do that? You heard me, layering. So one thing you can do sock-wise, you can wear wool socks, and then on top of that, if you feel lucky, you can put some cotton socks, good stuff. For pants, you might want to invest in long johns or thermals. They also make thermal shirts too. It's pretty cool. And then you might, on top of that, put some long pants, like jeans or sweatpants. And then for shirts, let's do a long sleeve shirt, like this. So, after that, for shoes, we want to invest in snow boots. Maybe a little bit less Converses. For jackets, how about a hoodie? Yeah, or a windbreaker. That too. The most important thing is to have a thick jacket though for snow, because it's going to get really cold. Head-wise, let's wear toboggans or beanies. And then maybe you can top it all off with some gloves. Make sure they're waterproof. You can touch your screen or your cell phone. If you must go outside, please wear a lot of layers because it's going to be cold.
Well, speaking of windbreakers, remember to stay inside so you can protect yourself from frostbite. Also, you should get a generator and prepare for power outages.
That's smart.
Thank you. Make sure you have an emergency radio. And hey, Ariel, can you go over what symptoms of frostbite?
Symptoms of frostbite include cold skin and tickling feelings, numbness, red, white, or grayish-yellow skin, hard or waxy-looking skin, slowness due to joint and muscle stiffness. In several cases, treatment and feels frostbite extremely should be rewarmed rapidly by total soaking the affected area in water that is warm to the touch. Because the area is numb, rewarming with an uncontrollable dry heat source risks burns. Rubbing may further damage tissue and should be avoided.
In the field, frostbite and extremities should be rewarmed rapidly by totally immersing the affected area in water that is tolerably warm to the touch. Ideally about 45 degrees Celsius, because the area is numb. Rewarming with an heating pad or an uncontrolled dry heating source, i.e. fire and heating pads, risk burns. Rubbing may further damage tissue and should be avoided. The first priority is to prevent further heat loss by removing the wet clothing and insulating the patient. Subsequent measures may depend on how severe hypothermia is.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 a.m. this morning to 6 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time Friday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Snow will develop across northeastern Colorado this morning and will be heavy at times, especially this afternoon and evening. North to northeast winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to around 45 miles per hour will produce blizzard conditions and considerable drifting snow on the plains by afternoon. The worst conditions are expected to be in areas south of the line from Boulder to Akron. Total snow accumulations by late Thursday night will range from 6 to 12 inches across the northeast plains, with 8 to 16 inches of snow from the Denver metro area to Lyman, and 1 to 2 feet in Douglas.
Whoa, why are you grabbing her?
Like that, sir, back away from me.
So, like, it shouldn't be too far.
You're on your own!
Yeah, we're leaving. It's colder than my here. We might run by Dairy Queen though.
He's like a bull!
shots in there. No? Alright. Alright, fine.
You tyrants!
Alright, guys, we're not going to stop by dairy. We're not going to stop by dairy.
Help me! Like and subscribe, it's your only way!
Alright.
Are you sure we can't zoom without her knowing?
Yeah, because she has a tracker on her phone. And I told her that I was about to be part because she doesn't.